Guys, Rex Sam's here, brought to you another little quick video. Turn off the flash, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do if your Xbox keeps on turning off. And this was shared to me by Angelic, so I didn't just do this by myself. Angelic taught me, well, not taught me, she shared it to me, and I saw this. My old gamer tag is that. Let's sign out of this and sign into that one. If you guys want to add me, go ahead. If you guys don't already, no, my internet is messed up right now. See, it just turned off. Alright, guys. So I turned it back on. But what you're gonna do? Let's turn this off. What you're gonna do? See, it's on. You're gonna unplug the power brick. Unplug the Xbox, the power brick. Wait, no, the thing that goes into the wall. I'll pull down my Xbox real quick, and you're gonna want to pull. I'm gonna take. Let's turn on the brightness. You're gonna turn not this cable, but this cable. You're gonna want to take it out, put it aside. I'm just gonna unplug this real quick, guys. You know how it had like the little thing right there? So like you had to buy the thing on your own. When you plug it in, you see how you would lace my cable. Yeah, see? So I took that out and now it's like this. Alright, so I'm gonna plug everything back. This is coming in here. This goes right here. Let's see if I can do this one hand. What the fuck? One hand, one foot. Let's go. That there. That there. Alright, let's see if it turns off. Oh, wrong button. Take it on Black Ops 2. Oh, what's it? Push it out. Pull. Right, there you go. So I took out Black Ops 2. Guys, if you guys know how to take off all these scratches, look at that. Probably why my Black Ops 2 doesn't work. Please help me. And see, it worked. It's not turning off. Need to put this back. I'm gonna turn it off myself. And I turned it off. I just turned it off. Turn it back on. It should work for a while. And if it happens again, you just do it again. Keep on doing it until it just stops doing that. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe. Alright, peace.